Greetings and various assorted salutations. All this video is a placeholder for videos to come. I'm assembling a series of tutorials on how to use various aspects of Canvas from the student perspective. So this will feature things like how to turn in assignments, how to do assignments, what kinds of assignments there are, how to progress through modules, how to ask questions, and basic things like that. It's separate from my classroom tutorials because there's so many different things that you need to know with Canvas that I figured it'd be more appropriate to have its own section. Teachers, you may find this playlist useful for students in your courses if you don't feel like making your own tutorials. The only other thing worth mentioning is that this one video is a mere placeholder. I will be adding all of the future videos at the start of fall 2020. I just need this video as a placeholder so that I can get the listing right in YouTube and in my operations manual for my courses in fall 2020. So enjoy the summer, and fall will eventually come. Until later.